Hey everybody, it's Ben here going on another EV adventure. I'm helping out a friend. We're going to be going to pick up an electric truck. Unfortunately, it also means I'm going from Wisconsin to North Carolina as fast as we possibly can, loading the truck up and getting back home to Wisconsin before the weekend's over. So this should be interesting. We got snacks, we got a truck, and we're going to be hitting the road. Okay, so we are finally on the road, headed southbound from the greater Milwaukee area, all the way down to North Carolina. So with me is Seth from Muller Motors. Lots of like energy drinks, the world's largest deli sandwich here, and some snacks and things. And we're gonna be there like 14 hours from now, assuming we don't stop or use the bathroom or anything. So should be interesting. Yeah, it's after dark now. We're going through Chicago. I can see the Sears Tower up ahead. I don't care if they renamed it, it's still the Sears Tower. But we got a lot of hours to go on this trip. And yes, flashlights for... Oh God, that's bright. We are at a truck stop somewhere in Indiana. I am so tired right now. Also, I am now going to eat this entire sandwich. Okay, it's not the middle of the night. It's like 11:30, but it's already been a long day. And it's just gonna get worse.
Keep left onto I-65 South.
65 South towards Louisville, or Lilville. How do we say it? Louisville?
Continue 0.5 miles.
We are somewhere in Kentucky at like 3 in the morning. I'm tired. It's just gonna get worse. But there's probably Waffle Houses around here too.
There you go.
Oh, we got like some smooth jazz going on now or something. A soundtrack, that's what we're missing. This road trip is missing a soundtrack of smooth jazz.
Alright, we didn't take out a pump. Victory.
So what if Thanos was like at a really swinging club and he was like, yeah, man.
Thanos, stop it. It's half of half of half of half of half.
It's diminishing returns. So I drove until 6:30 in the morning. Well, Seth slept a little bit and then pulled into a Kroger parking lot. Had about a hour nap, and now it's time to hit the road again. But this is what it looks like after you stay up for 24 hours. Next stop, Asheville. What's your favorite thing so far this trip, Seth? Not sleeping.
Not sleeping. Yeah, no kidding. The weather has got to be the nicest thing this trip.
It's
In
like
1
spring
mile.
down here.
Keep right onto I-40 East.
So is it officially going through now?
She's gonna call me with a confirmation number.
Okay. Yeah, Smoky Mountains headed towards Asheville. Pretty area right here. It's spring. It was snowing in Wisconsin the other day. Down here, it's spring. Purple things are blooming. I don't even know what they're called, but purple things blooming. Sleep deprivation. Tunnels! What is that? Like a little solar farm hiding over here.
That's cool.
Or angled. It's like a weird... Oh, we don't have a good view here. Oh no! It's like a solar farm on the side of a mountain here. We have been driving forever, and it's been raining cats and dogs for what, the last 2 hours? Something like that. And we're finally at the lot, but this whole place has got to be a giant mud hole. Even with good rain gear, we're gonna get soaked, so yeah, not so great. But we're here. So the good news is the truck is here. The bad news is the wire transfer still hasn't gone through, and apparently they won't load it onto the trailer for us, and we really have no decent way of getting this truck on the trailer. And as it is, it's like exactly the right size for the trailer. So it might mean calling a wrecker, finding a local shop, and just taking the batteries off this thing, or something else. We're trying to figure it out, but it's also 3:30 on a Friday afternoon. They close at 5, and they're closed all weekend. So, adventure. The trucks are way the heck down there. Too much walking in the rain. Is it this one?